Filtering your class search. From your My UNTD student portal, you will click on the enrollment tile, and then over on the left-hand side, click Class Search and Enroll. You will select the semester you are searching for classes for, and then under the search bar, there's a blue link that says Additional Ways to Search. It will pop up a window, and under Available Subjects, if you click that drop-down, it's going to show you a list of all the different topics of classes that UNT Dallas offers. This is a great way to search for general electives if you need to take a class in order to meet the graduation requirements or to filter through major specific classes. For this example, we are going to click on psychology and then click on the blue search button, and then it will appear a list of all the psychology classes that are being offered within that term. Make sure under course career that you select UNT Dallas undergraduate, so you are looking at undergraduate courses. You can also filter for location if you need only online courses, if you need a specific academic session, or specific days that the class meets. So for our example, we are going to select the internet course option because this example student needs an online class, and then we are going to select research methods. To find out more information for the class, you'll click on the red course information, and it will give a description as well as tell you if there are prerequisites needed in order to take the class. If you meet these prerequisites, you'll select on the course option that you wish to select, and then it will take you through the Step 104 prompt so you can complete registration for that class.